What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are tearing more into the NC, and specifically we are tearing down the 2.0, we're putting it on the stand, and we're going to take everything off of it that we need for the 2.5. And then we did get the 2.5 like I showed you guys in the last video, and we're going to be putting the 2.5 on the engine stand as well, so we'll have both of them next to each other. And then we're just gonna basically take everything off the 2.0, kind of inspect the 2.0, and check out the turbo, because I think there's definitely gonna be some metal in the turbo and all that. So we might have to get a new turbo, or might have to rebuild the turbo, because I think metal definitely went through there. So I'm gonna get all new lines and all that. But today is definitely a teardown of the 2.0 and put the 2.5 on the stand, so we can get ready to actually dive into the 2.5. But I'm so pumped, guys. One step closer. There's still so many more steps, but we're gonna get there, and even though we might have a broken wrist, we're gonna go ahead and knock it out. Well, we got it off the subframe. You can see it's covered in oil. Freaking still so much metal from the motor and stuff, but I'm gonna be cleaning all this off. And we got a little bit of surface rust right here, so sand this down, spray it all good. And you guys can see I need some new rotors. They're kind of crusty, so I got new rotors and pads coming. But just clean a lot of this stuff off on the subframe. Coilovers look pretty brand new. I think they only have like 6,000 miles on them, but just clean the subframe off pretty well. We'll be getting a power steering thing as well, aluminum power steering, reservoir and stuff. But I'll probably keep the stock sway bar in the front for a little bit until I learn the car. But yeah, I need to clean the subframe off, make it not oily again. But we got the motor on the engine stand, about to tear it down. We already got the trans off, and you already can see that we got a aftermarket clutch. From the previous owner, this thing looks like the flying Miata Happy Meal. I think that's what it is. That's what it looks like compared to one that I have in my NA. I think the bummer thing too that I just thought about is there's a lot of metal in the intake manifold here, so gonna have to, yeah.
Exhaust manifold?
Oh yeah, not intake, man. Freaking exhaust manifold. So I'm pretty sure that turbo is probably gonna be trashed, but I'm gonna have to take the back off of it, check the fins and everything. But I'm gonna get all new lines, turbo, drain, and feed, just because there's probably metal in all of it. I'm gonna check the oil filter once we take it off and put the motor on the stand. But we're gonna tear this whole entire thing down and get all these pulleys off and get it ready for the 2.5. Take everything off that we need. And I really want to take the head off, maybe, if we have time. And I want to really look at cylinder 3 right there. You can see the hole even better now without the subframe. But we got the trans off now, and we're almost about to put it on the stand to get everything knocked out. So hopefully it's good, man. Still a lot of pad left, a little heat. Doesn't look too bad. Clutch only has like, I think it's like 7,000 miles on it. Little disc. There's still some meat on there. Still looks pretty good. Nothing crazy. Heck yeah.
Looks good.
That baby's
Toasted.
You think it has
hold on, here.
the
Don't kill yourself.
it's coming.
You would? Oh, it's coming right there, dude. Those look like brand new though.
You think the electrode is still there?
No, not at all.
No?
There's no way. That's
No, it
trash.
broke. It's
Gone.
the whole
taken
thing's
out.
gone. Not just the electrode. The whole
Look at the heat from on the top of the weight.
No, she smashed.
Dude, oh my gosh, it's bent, smashed.
touching.
It's almost.
You see the
broke
metal
off the
pieces
back.
on
You
it
see
though?
that?
Look at the little metal chunks on it.
Wow.
It's got a little metal chunk in it, and then look down it.
Oh my gosh, you can see it's like a milky too.
Hey, look down it.
Can you see it in there?
No, you see straight through.
Oh.
You see light.
Yeah, you can on.
You see light.
Like there's like no wall probably.
Well, no, your piston's gone. The whole piston's
I
gone.
assume 2 and 4 is bad too.
Like that. Well, the cylinder walls are probably destroyed.
Oh man, yeah, you can. Hey, brother.
Pull them out, and then we'll turn it over, and you can look at it.
Dude, that almost broke off. Oh, do you know Logan Paul, right?
Yeah.
His stuff?
He made his stuff. You gotta try it.
Prime was developed to fill the void where great taste meets function.
It's supposed to be better than Gatorade and Powerade.
Bold, earth-quenching flavors, fresh, replenish, refuel, Prime. I feel like this is trademark Gatorade.
You can Gatorade someone. Comment down below, what do you guys think? Kevin's Powerade and Dry are both Gatorade, and then Logan Paul's is Prime. I'll save my opinion for Prime. Gatorade is the way to go.
Dude's coconut Prime.
It is.
So you know how the orange one tastes, Gatorade. Just think about that.
Oh wow. Actually, I kind of like it.
Okay.
It's very
It tastes
sweet.
like Sunny D.
It's very
Really?
sweet.
That's all I taste is sugar. I think I'm drinking like
Very
sugar.
Yeah,
You know what I mean?
it's all the sugar. It says only 2 grams. It's unbelievable.
Well guys, we took the 2.0 apart as much as we could, broke it all down, the stuff that we're gonna use, and I figured this was gonna happen. There's a lot of metal and everything, so I'm gonna have to clean it thoroughly. The valve cover, definitely the exhaust manifold has all kinds of metal, and then I think my turbo is probably gonna be trashed, so I'll probably have to rebuild it or probably get a whole new turbo, or I'm about to take that apart and just see, but I'm sure the exhaust, the wheel in the back is probably messed up because there's so much metal within the exhaust manifold. But we got the 2.0 torn down, and we're gonna check the turbo now, and then we're gonna put the 2.5 on the engine stand and kind of clean it up a little bit because it's definitely not super clean from being outside from a junkyard. But the 2.0 is down, and I think we might even take the head off of it because I really want to see cylinder 3 because it's completely gone. Like, we took the spark plug out, as you guys saw, and it's like, it was definitely hit, it's bent, and it was definitely a little bit seized in there too. So we're gonna go ahead and take the turbo apart and go from there. Hold the turbo. It's not destroyed. Well, we took the downpipe off, and you can see the wheel is fine, so there's no like massive chunks that destroyed the wheel back here, but there's definitely really fine metal all around here. So we're definitely probably gonna have to send this out, probably get it cleaned, and definitely look through, if not buy a whole another turbo. I know we can rebuild this and stuff, but I'm gonna get all new lines and stuff as well. These are garbage now. But the turbo itself still spins freely, no play, and like the fins are all good in there too, the wheel on the rear and front. But you can see that, you can't really see it too much on camera, but there's definitely some small metal shards in there. So, and you guys can see that, all that metal, each freaking exhaust port right there. Just grab it, throw them in there. It's crazy, all the shards. You guys can see that. Look at that. Oh my gosh.
What?
Got extra coils and everything.
Guys, I didn't film too much as we were putting the 2.5 on the stand and everything, but you guys can see all this stuff all laying around. This is everything that we took off the 2.0 today, and everything that we will need for the 2.5, putting it on from the 2.0. We got the subframe here that I'm gonna be cleaning up, as well as the 2.5 motor over here, but parts are collecting, and I'm just happy we were able to get the 2.5 on the stand. It's definitely doesn't look like a 33,000 mile motor. We did turn it over. It turns over good. It seems like it has some good compression in it when we were turning the motor over. We also pulled the spark plugs. They all look good. Nothing doesn't look lean, nothing broken or anything like that. There is some oil over here on the intake manifold, so we're gonna have to check that out. Maybe there was motors on top of it dripping oil or something like that, but the motor seems pretty good shape. We looked in here, also the valves are opening and closing. They don't look rust or anything like that. So she's on the stand. We got the 2.5 over here all torn down. It's pretty crazy that the top end really looks pretty clean on the 2.0 for how bad of a blow it was. There's really not too much oil, as it did get drained out and stuff, but you guys can see the hole right there. It's freaking crazy to see it even closer now. But there's the 2.0. Probably just gonna trash this block, honestly, just because you guys didn't even see, like, we couldn't even get the oil filter off. It's just seized on there. So, but guys, it's coming along. Got the 2.5 on the block right here, and I'm super pumped. So next week, starting next week, we're gonna dive into this thing, and we gotta put the cams on. We gotta put all the new accessories, oil pan, and everything that's on the ground over here on this guy. We're gonna be cleaning this thing up too, make it as clean as possible, as it looks like it's been sitting outside. Like I said, this is 33,000 mile motor, but you never know what you're gonna get from, you know, junkyard. But that is gonna basically conclude today's video. I wanna give a big shout out to Kevin, Ryan, Andrew, everybody who's helped me so far, Philip, with this car and stuff, and definitely right now too, just because like I do have the broken wrist, so I only got one hand, but I wouldn't be able to do it without you guys, so big shout out to you guys for helping me out. And guys, I'm so pumped. Definitely comment down below. We're getting there, making some big steps and stuff, but hopefully, like I said, maybe a month and a half, 2 months at the latest, we can get this thing down on the ground, running, driving, and tuned. And we'll have the NC Turbo 2.5 ripping around. I can't wait, but I'm rambling on here. Guys, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out, guys. I'll see you in the next one.